When you need a heavy-duty air compressor that delivers maximum performance and efficiency day in and day out, Kaishan has the type, range, expertise and capability you're after. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. From huge capacity, two-stage machines that can run major industrial applications to compact models for specialised demands, Kaishan will assess what you require and supply the right compressor to match. It can also install and service your advanced compressed air system to operate at minimum cost while more than delivering on your expectations. All Kaishan compressors are backed by 24/7 Australia-wide support and service. Compare the Kaishan range of world-class products and services at kaishan.com.au and take advantage of the latest in globally proven energy-saving compressed air technology. And thank you for watching.